Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, today our topic is electric circuit. Dear students, a cell or a battery can make electrons move and electric current flow. But there must be a conducting path like wires, bulb, etc. between the two terminals of the cell through which electrons can move, causing the electric current to flow. Dear students, this conducting path consisting of wires and other resistances like electric bulb, etc. and a switch between two terminals of a battery along which an electric current flows is called a circuit. An electric circuit is a continuous conducting path consisting of wires and other resistances like electric bulb, etc. and switch between two terminals of a battery along which an electric current flows. Dear students, the various symbols used in an electric circuit are as under: connecting wire, resistors, rheostats and resistance box, a battery, galvanometer, ammeter, voltmeter, an open switch, a closed switch, and an electric bulb. Dear students, connecting wire is usually, in this figure, suppose this is a connecting wire. This is connecting wire. This connecting wire is usually made of copper. It is made of copper. The resistance of connecting wire is negligible, taken as 0. Resistors. Resistors are wires made of alloy. Resistors are wires made of alloy which provide a constant resistance in an electric circuit. Rheostat and resistance box. Rheostat and resistance box are used to change resistance in an electric circuit. Battery. A battery is a combination of two or more cells. Battery is a combination of two or more cells. Galvanometer. A galvanometer is a device used for detecting the flow of current in an electric circuit. Galvanometer is a device used for detecting the flow of electric current in an electric circuit. It has no positive or negative terminals on it. Ammeter. Dear students, an ammeter is a device used for measuring current. In this figure it is denoted by A. Ammeter is a device used for measuring current. It has positive and negative marks on its terminals. Positive terminal is joined to the positive terminal of the electric supply. Negative terminal is joined to the negative terminal of the supply. An ammeter is always connected in series with the circuit. Voltmeter. Dear students, voltmeter is a device used for measuring potential difference between two pointers in an electric circuit. Voltmeter is a device used for measuring potential difference or voltage between the two pointers in an electric circuit. Like ammeter, voltmeter has also positive and negative marks on its terminals. A closed key. A closed electric circuit is one in which key is closed. And current flows continuously. A closed electric circuit is one in which key is closed and current flows continuously. An open electric circuit is one in which the key is open and there is no flow of current. When the key is open, then there is no flow of current in an electric circuit. Yes, students, these are the symbols of the electric circuit. Thank you.